Hey guys, so it's me Brian from K-Dot Creations. I just wanted to show you guys a package I got from Kunshan Jiangsu. I don't know where that is. I thought it was from Hong Kong. I already opened it up because I wanted to make sure that everything was there before I actually did the unboxing, and of course, so that way you guys don't know where I live and send me hate mail and whatnot, because I don't want that stuff. Okay, so these are all of my rhinestones I got. It says on the back what I bought. I bought 3 packs of each one except for the last one, which I actually had thought I bought 3 packs of, but apparently I did not. So yeah, I think I got SS3, 4, 5, 6, and 8. I think that's what I got. I don't remember. But they are a lot smaller than I actually had anticipated. Even with the biggest ones, I thought that they were going to be this size. They are not even close to this, so I need to do some research next time before I actually buy crystals. So, and I actually had thought, in the picture description box, they come in a Swarovski crystal envelope, and these are not in that. These are just in plastic bagging. So I don't know if these are actual Swarovski crystals or not. But I'm gonna go back to the ad on eBay and make sure, because that would be horrible if they're not. But it sounds like they're glass, so they better be glass at least, because if not, I'm gonna be pissed off. So yeah, these are SS3s, very tiny, really tiny, really little thing, tiny little things. But I do like them, they're really pretty. I love clear. I also bought the AB ones. Those ones haven't arrived yet. I'll probably do an unboxing when they arrive. It'll probably be another 2 weeks until I get those ones. These came so much faster than I anticipated. They said that they weren't going to be here until September 14th. This is what, August 22nd? I don't even know. But yeah, I'm super happy that these got here. Now I could do stuff with them. Oh, they're so pretty though. Can you believe that? Can you believe that? Okay, so these ones are SS4s, I believe. I'm like 90% positive that these are SS4s because I got 3s and 4s. These are pretty as well. A little bit bigger. I could do stuff with these ones. So SS4s, SS5s, I think. Those are pretty. Oh, look at them sparkle. Ooh, pretty, pretty, pretty. Beautiful, gorgeous, honey. Do you guys like using rhinestones on your nails? Honestly, this is my first time putting rhinestones on my nails. Like I said in my other videos, it's different. I get compliments left and right when I go out. You know, I went to the Sally Beauty Supply today to get some buffers and see if they had a matte gel top coat, which they did not. Which I'm kind of pissed off that they don't. They should, but they don't have it. So I was upset about that. But yeah, I went and she's like, "Oh my God, hunty, where do you get your nails done? Who blings them the F out?" And I was like, I do them at home. She's like, "OMFG, give me your number. I want to come over." And I was just like, oh my God, I'm not certified. I'm not a nail technician. And she's like, "I don't care. They're so beautiful. Oh my God, I'm hungry. You want to go out and eat?" And I was just like, no, I got stuff to do. So, yeah. Then I went to Winco because that's my favorite. What is it? My favorite grocery store, and I got compliments there. She's like, "You always come in with different nails, and they're always on fleek." And I was like, "Oh, thank you." She's like, "Yeah, it's so beautiful that you can do those. I can never wear long nails like you. I'd break them." And I was like, "It's hard. I break them once in a while." So these ones are the SS6s, I believe. They're really pretty. Oh man, these ones are pretty. These ones are decent size right here too. I don't mind these ones at all. And each pack of these actually supposed to come with 1,440 pieces. Some of these do not look like they're 1,440 pieces. Now this one, I was stupid. I only bought 2 packs on these ones, so I did order another pack of these ones just to actually complete my set, because I want to have 3 of each bag. But I don't know, I'm weird like that. But these, I had thought that they were gonna be as big as this one, and they're not even close. Oh my god! I need to like print out a Swarovski crystal. My husband said it was a crystal size chart, like a life size crystal size chart. That way I know what size I need to buy and whatnot. But I do want to buy these in different colors now that I see them up front. I mean, I don't care that they come in little baggies like this. I'm gonna end up putting them in containers anyway, so I don't care that they come in bags like this. And it was pretty cheap to get this whole theme, like, cause like I seen them over here. They sell this same bag for $25 over here. $25. Can you believe that? $25 for this. I don't know if you guys watched my other video, but in my other video I told you guys I bought all these right here for $13. $13. That's less than what's in here. You know, that this is probably like maybe 200 pieces in here. Maybe 250. I don't know. $13 for this. Yeah, so definitely not. And I'm really happy that I do have some old clear crystals, the big ones, just so that way I have the sizes there to, you know, do the same theme on this one. Because if I didn't, oh my god, I'd be so upset. But yeah, this is what I got in the mail today, and I'll probably post this video later on because I do have to work a little bit. But yeah, I'll see y'all guys later, okay? Bye!